So you have your new course and you want to make sure that you set it up so that's ready to go. So you want to set up your grading categories. So what you do is you come up to the little wrench up here that says Tools, click on it, and click on Course Settings. Scroll down to the grading categories. Right now it just has homework and quizzes and they're not weighted, but you want to weight each of the categories. So you just click so that you check off both, and now they have now they're both weighted at 40 and 60, but you want to change that because you want to add some things. So what you do is you want to click Add Grading Category, and so that you can have a grading category for participation, and you can set the weights. You can set the weight however you like, as long as all 4 weights add up to 100. I typically set my participation at 20, and once you set that, you click Done, and there it is. And my other grading category is Projects, so I set that at 20 as well. Now obviously now it's adding up to more than 100, so you just want to double click on the other ones and just make sure that they will add up to 100. So I usually set my homework at 30, and my quizzes, which I like to call assessments, also at 30. So now we have 30, 60, 80, 100. And so that's done. You can also change the name of the course if you like, if you want the course tile to be more visible. So you can change it to the name of the student, or the student and also the subject. That way this clutter of the numbers and everything isn't getting in your way, in your vision. And you can also set a different picture for the course if you like. Most courses set up a default picture, but all you need to do is click the garbage can, and then the garbage can will turn into a plus once you delete it, and you can click on the plus and you can upload any picture that you want. So once you've done all that, you can come up here and click Save, and everything will be saved. Another thing you can do is add your Exemplary Works folder. So to do that, you click on Add over here, click Folder, and give it the title Exemplary Works. I like to put my Exemplary Works in all caps, that way I can see it right away. And I like to put it up near the top here somewhere. So your Exemplary Works folder is for any work that the student has done that is particularly good, stuff that you want to stand out, and that the head of departments or the assistant director can just quickly go for any works that are good to show. All right, so now you are finished setting up your course.